আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আমরা আজকে ইংলিশ ডিপার্টমেন্টের অনার্স ফোর্থ ইয়ারের আমেরিকান পোয়েট্রির অন্তর্ভুক্ত একটি সুন্দর কবিতা মেন্ডিং ওয়াল, যেটি রবার্ট ফ্রস্ট লিখেছেন, এটি সম্পর্কে আমরা আজকে এই কবিতাটি আবৃত্তি করব ইংরেজিতে। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা একটু দেখে নেই এই মেন্ডিং ওয়াল রবার্ট ফ্রস্টের কবিতার আবৃত্তিটি। Something there is that doesn't love a wall, that sends the frozen ground swell under it and spills the upper boulders in the sun and makes gaps even to can pass abreast. The work of hunters is another thing. I have come after them and made repair where they have left not one stone on a stone, but they would have the rapid out of hiding to please the yelping dogs. The gaps, I mean, no one has seen them made or heard them made. But as spring mending time, we find them there. I let my neighbor know beyond the hill, and on a day we made to walk the line and set the wall between us once again. We keep the wall between us as we go to ease the boulders that have fallen to ease, and some are loaves and some so nearly balls we have to use a spell to make them balance. Stay where you are until our backs are turned. We wear our fingers raw with handing them. Oh, just another kind of outdoor game, one on each side. It comes to little more. There where it is we do not need the wall. He is alpine and I am a full orchard. My apple trees will never get across and eat the cones under his pines. I tell him, he only says, good fences make good neighbors. Spring is the mischief in me, and I wonder if I could put a notion in his head. Why do they make good neighbors? Isn't it where there are cows? But here there are no cows. Before I built a wall, I'd ask to know what I was walling in or walling out, and to whom I was like to give offense. Something there is that doesn't love a wall, that wants it down. I could say ills to him, but it is not ills exactly, and I'd rather he said it for himself. I see him there bringing a stone grasped firmly by the top in his hand like an old stone saving armed. He moves in darkness, as it seems to me, not of woods only and the shade of trees. He will not go behind his father's saying, and he likes having thought of it so well. He says again, good fences make good neighbors.